We wouldn't have this house if it wasn't for you.
Greg has done an awesome job, above and beyond. I would highly recommend him to anyone.
Alright, we are here at this property here on Black Walnut. There are a ton of people looking at this property. So I'm going to show you this video. It's like a open house today. It's the living area with the bay window here. You can see downstairs the driveway and the road. Get a good shot of the entire first level. We'll come back there. There's a lot of people here. We'll go upstairs and look at the bedrooms first. The baby gate here. Turn to your right and you have the first bedroom. Another bay window and a closet. One nice thing about this is you have the sliding doors versus the bifold. Very good use of space. You have your office or den and another bedroom with a closet, air handler, bathroom up here, a shower and a tub, and then the master. As you can see, there's a balcony on the third level here. Nice sitting area and a preserved view. You walk right into the master bathroom. Has the master bath attached. Another tub and shower. And a second closet, in your master closet, not a second one. And then a nook there, which could, well, they're using it for their TV stand, which makes sense. So another linen closet here. Oh, that's your washer and dryer. Apologies. And linens up top. So here we go. Going back down to the main living area. See if it's less crowded now or not. There we go. Inside. We also have a balcony out here, which mimics the balcony upstairs, except this one's screened, which is nice to enjoy the outdoors this time of the year. It's absolutely beautiful. Go back into the kitchen for a minute.
I can take it Thank you very much.
Yep. No, it's better if you walk up.
I think
We should just kick, I mean, unfortunately, we have to kick everybody out and then we'll let the next one open.
Going downstairs
Oh, if there was ever something to happen.
and going into the garage. There's a one-car garage door, but it's a tandem two-car garage with an extra space here and a rear entry door. So this concludes our tour. Again, my name is Greg Claxton with thegregrealtor.com. And I'm a buyer's agent, fiduciary. And if you'd like to get your offer in, I'd be happy to write it up for you. Run some comps. And here's the front of the property. This is a revolving door, people coming in and out. So definitely prepare yourself for some competition. Nice to meet you, at least on video. My phone number is below. Just give me a call and let me know what you'd like to do. Have a great day.